PTCL primarily is a fixed line operator. Along with fixed line, we also have a fixed wireless network. What we have been doing previously is, on the fixed line, we have been giving the voice, PSTN, along with that DSL, VDSL, ADSL, and on the CDMA side, on the fixed wireless, along with voice, we have been giving the EVO 3G e-video technology, providing the broadband services. What we have done recently is keeping in view the market trends and keeping in view that a lot of mobile operators are moving towards 3G and 4G. We were the first one to do the e-video on 3G, and we are the first one to move prior to the mobile operators to the 4G LTE. We just recently launched a couple of months back our LTE at 35 megabits per second speed. So that is what we have been doing. In future, we plan to be, and rather than a telecom provider, more towards the ICT and digital service providers. We are moving towards a lot of partnership with the OTT players and the content providers. Like we just recently did it with ICFlix on a revenue share basis. What we are looking at, we are transforming our network. We are transforming a legacy TDM-based to IP-based network. We are transforming our BSS&ESS. We are transforming our processes and people as well. Our business strategy is, as I said, to move towards the full digital provider, either ourselves or partner with somebody else. So for this, we are really focusing on our BSS&ESS to be capable of handling what is happening in the new revenue streams in the digital arena. The challenges we have is the legacy network, the legacy BSS&ESS, the disparate silos, fragmented systems spread across. We have like 3-4 billing systems. We have 3 provisionings. We have 2 order capture systems. So what we are doing, first of all, we are consolidating and converging. Consolidation of order system, order capture, order handling, and fulfillment. So that is the first thing we are doing. We are moving towards the real-time convergent billing solution along with an integrated policy management. So it is part of our plan in next 2 to 5 years that we will be having a converged, consolidated BSS/OSS infrastructure, which is agile, which is flexible, which is capable of handling the new generation of the business streams, business services. First of all, I mean, the part in which we have discussed the unified communication, the OTT, that is the part which was more interesting to me. Other than that, I learned a lot about the 5G and LTE Advanced as well. And one of my other colleagues, he's from the network and engineering side, he also participated, and he gained a lot of insight into the movement from the 3G CDMA base to the LTE network. So a lot of insight he has also obtained. My focus was mainly towards the OTT partnerships, towards the unified communication, RCS kind of things. I interacted with operators who has tons of experience of doing all these things. We exchanged our experiences, what I have done, especially today's operator mindshare. It was really an excellent session in which there were vendors participating, there were operators participating, and I was leading that operator mindshare. So that was an excellent idea to interact with various kind of people. So over here, in short, I've interacted with all kind of people from the consultancy background, from the vendor, telecom vendors background, apps providers as well, RCS solution providers as well, and operators as well. Surely, I mean, you see, we are moving towards LTE Advanced, and then the next 5G. This conference actually covered each and every part of it. What is happening, what is going to happen, how the new revenue streams would be enabled. So I think, I mean, the next year it would be, I guess it would be a more elaborative kind of workshop on all these areas, and I would like some of my colleagues attend next time.